Okay, we're going to do a Flickr advanced search. So going over to Google, typing in Flickr advanced search, we come up with this menu. I'm going to type here Guanajuato. And I'm looking for a photo, so I can leave both of those checked. And I don't care about the date, but I am going to say only search within the Creative Commons, and I'm going to say find content to use commercially. I don't plan to use this commercially, but you never know. And find content to modify, adapt, or build upon, which means I'll be able to change the photograph if I want to, add things to it, take things out, crop it, whatever I want, I can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and search. And here comes all these photos of Guanajuato, which should be in the Creative Commons. So I'm going to just come on down a bit and see what I see here. Just looking for something suitable for my purpose. And I like this one right here. This is good. So I'm going to click on this. Now, while I'm here, right on this page, and I know that I want this photograph, I'm going to go ahead and make a note of the information that I need so that in case I lose it or something, that it's easy for me to have. So I'm using the tassel method. The title is Artesanías here, Dolores Hidalgo. So here's the title. That's the title. And I'm going to make a note on a piece of paper. The author or the attribution goes to Jose Juan Figueroa. And the source is Flickr, and the rights are right here. I can click here and go over to the page. I'll do that now. And I can see that it's a 2.0, and so the license will be CC by 2.0, and this is the address I'm going to put in right here on my link. And I can see that I'm free to share it and adapt it, so I can do whatever I want to. So this is the photograph I'm going to use. So now I have all the information I need about this photograph. I have the title, the author, the source, and the license, the tassel method that we're using in this class. Now I need to download the photograph because I want to use it in my site. And the way I do that is I click right here on this arrow, and then I'm going to go ahead and say View All Sizes. So this is large. That's pretty large. The original is even larger. Let's see what a medium looks like. 540, medium 640. Let's see what this is. You know what? I think that this is a pretty good size. There's one even a little smaller than that, which is also a good size, but I think I'll stick with this one. Okay, so I'm ready to download this photograph, this size. And so, and again, if I needed to know about the rights reserved or anything, there they are. So right here under download, I'm going to download the medium file. So I'm going to click there, and it goes right here. So what I'm going to do is click here, and here is the here's the file. Now on this particular, what I think I might do, so I'm going to download that one more time because this one does a little bit differently. I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to say Show in Folder. So right click on the name and Show in Folder, and I've got two of these now. So I'm just going to go ahead, doesn't really matter, and I'm going to click on this. I'm having trouble here. Okay, sorry, I right clicked and I'm going to rename it. And when I rename it, I'm going to rename it Artesanías, and then I'm going to type in Jose Juan Figueroa, and I'm going to type in Flickr, and CC by 2.0. And so I really have all the information I need there. Artesanius, all the information is right in that title, so in case I get lost somewhere, I have the information I need. Okay, so now I can see that it's in my downloads folder when I'm looking for this file. It's in my downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And now I'm going back over here to Flickr. And I want to put right here on this page that photograph I just took. So I don't know what's happened here. I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to say insert an image, and I'm going to upload the image. And I'm going over to my downloads, and here it is actually. Here's the one I want. I'm going to say open. And I'm going to say okay. And here is my photograph right there. And now, if I want to do the attribution, I can just go ahead so you can see I'm typing. Now I can go back and I can get and make links out of these. So for instance, here's the link for the Creative Commons, so I can come in here and do Control Copy, go back to my go back to my, and do right there, insert a link. It's a web address. Type that in and say OK. And now I have a link for that. I don't really need to put the link for the source, in this case, Flickr. Everybody kind of knows how to find Flickr. But I do want to put, I do want this page right here, or at least the medium. So if I click here and do Control Copy, I'm going to get this page will come up. And you can, there's other pages you could use as well. This is the medium size. I could also just use this page right here, for instance. And I can use this page. So I think I'll use this page right here. I'm going to click here and do Control Copy. I'm going to use this page to as my link. So I'm going to put it right here. Insert a link, and it's a web address. I'm going to say open the link in a new window. And now all I need is Jose Juan Figueroa's address. And so if I come here and I click here, I can see that he's got a lot of other photos he's taken that people might be interested in. So when I give this attribution, I'm going to use that address. And I'm going to come here, and I'm going to say insert link. It's a web address, Control V. And now see what I've got here. I'm going to say save. And now when you look at this, I have a photo here. I have the title of the photo. I have the attribution. I have the source. And I have the license. So everything is correct on this photo, and I don't really need to worry about it. And if I ever decided to use this photo again, I've got the information that I need. I'm able to use it commercially or adapt it to whatever I want. So I hope that this answers your questions a little bit about Flickr movies and getting the attributions and the citation done correctly. Thanks for watching.